Hey Explorers, Keto Explorer here, and today I am here with my 2023 holiday gift guide for the travelers in your life, or for yourself, of course. So make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can hear the 10 holiday gift items you should gift your friends or family or yourself who is a traveler in your life. Now, these links may be affiliate links, so if you click on them, I may receive a commission at no additional cost to you. And these gifts are based on things that I love and that I use, especially in 2023. So let's get into this holiday gift guide for travelers. And before we do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and a notification bell so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into this 2023 holiday gift guide. So first up, one thing that I truly love and I have been using for years is going, or formerly known as Scotch Cheese Flights. This is a great membership for people who just love to travel often but want to save money. Who doesn't want to save money, right? So Going sends emails and alerts to their subscribers about flight deals. So for example, maybe the flight usually costs $1,000 round trip, but a flight deal comes out and it's $400. That's just an example. That's not always the case, but they know how to find deals, send it to you so you can save money. Now they have 3 membership levels. They have the limited, which is free, meaning you hardly get anything sent to you, hardly any accessibility to their platform. They have the premium, which is what I have, which is $49 a year. So you're getting a lot of emails sent to you. You're getting more features, more personalization with the premium option. And then if you want all of their features, you can get the elite membership, which is $199 a year. So you can purchase the Traveler in Your Life, the yearly membership, and make sure you cancel it at the end of the year or tell them they need to put in their credit card or payment information before the year is up. So make sure you set that reminder on your calendar or do it as soon as you gift it to them for the holidays. But this will be a great gift to help someone in their future travels. Now I'm currently traveling, so I can't show it for you because I didn't plan on working much while I was here. So I'm gonna put a picture of it or find like an old video of me using a laptop stand. This is very helpful for people who are remote workers. This stand will help you adjust at different levels so your neck is at the appropriate height. So you're not looking down, hurting your neck, you're not looking up, hurting your neck, and you're in a more comfortable stance while working remote in a hotel, your Airbnb, or wherever you may be while traveling. And this is a very cheap gift. I got mine for under $10. I don't know what it is right now. It is on Amazon and I'll have it linked down below. Now, if you want someone or someone that you know that travels would love to have a shirt, gear, something for them to wear on the plane and through the airport or through their train ways, get them a traveling shirt. I have traveling queen shirts and I will have some other merchandise up on my shop soon. So if you are interested in getting the traveling queen in your life a shirt, you can check out my merchandise shop link down below. Now, another great item to give the traveler in your life is a travel journal, which I'm mad I forgot. I went to go pack mine for this trip and I completely forgot it. So there's that. Now I have to remember things or try to put it in my phone, which I will never check. But a travel journal is great because the traveler in your life can get back from their excursion and kind of write out what they did that day, how they felt about the trip, what they learned during that day. They could take it with them while they're out on the tour to write down, here, this is what the history I learned during this tour. So travel journals are really great to help document people's experiences. So this is also another cheap gift idea, and I will have it linked down below. Now, this is something I love. I've been using this for years and years, which is packing cubes. Actually, I do have my set of packing cubes with me. Let me go grab one. So here's one of the packing cubes that I have with me. It comes in a set of 4 and they're all different sizes. This, I think, this is the biggest. No, this is the second largest size in my pack, and it's kind of disheveled now because I've been traveling for a week. But you can pack your stuff in here, fold it up, roll it properly, and when you zip it, it kind of compacts it a little bit, so you can fit more things in your suitcase, and it's more organized. And also, it has a handle, so you can pick it up, wrap it in the bathroom, hang it in your closet, whatever you want to do with it as you travel. So this is great for organization in the suitcase for travelers. Now, another great gift idea for the traveler in your life is book them a photo shoot. So maybe next year they're going on their favorite vacation that you're aware of, or maybe they're, traveling to a new city for New Year's, who knows what it may be. Book the traveler in your life a photo shoot. This is something I love to do when I go travel. So I've done photo shoots in Paris and Barcelona and Cabo. I even done one in Atlanta. And also, I am a photographer in Atlanta. So I use Airbnb experience from my platform. So when people travel to Atlanta, they can book a photo shoot with me and have their experience documented, or their time documented in Atlanta. It is nice to have the professional photos because the photographer knows the location, and the photographer knows how to set the camera, knows how to set the lighting, and it's going to be better quality than your phone. And also, you may not be a photographer. The friend or family member that you're going to gift this to may or may not be a photographer. And it's also just saves time. If they are, it's kind of time consuming to set up and do your own photos. So this is a great gift for the traveler in your life. Now, another great gift idea is a gift card to that person's favorite airline. Very simple, very easy. Get them a $50, $100, whatever amount of gift cards you want, and that amount of money can go towards the purchase of their next airfare, their next plane ticket. So help them save a little bit of money by giving them a gift card. Next up, make sure the traveler in your life is safe on their next vacation. So purchase them some travel insurance. Now, I use Travel Insurance Master because I can go on there, I can put in the details about me and my trip, and then I can purchase a policy that works best for me. So you can compare the policies, you can see what's involved in the policies and all of that. So work with the traveler in your life and give them some travel insurance so they can be protected just in case the unforeseen happens. Another great idea for the remote worker in your life is a travel monitor. Travel monitors are great because if they're used to using dual monitors at home or in an office setting, you can have another monitor taken with them. So I have one. I am currently not working remote on this trip, but I have one where it's thin, it is lightweight. I can stick it in my backpack or in my carry-on luggage, and it doesn't add much to the stress of travel. And then when I get to that hotel or that Airbnb or the house sit, I can pull out that monitor, connect it to my laptop, and still have a dual monitor computer workstation. Now, lastly, if this person loves to take photos when they're traveling, they should have a light attachment. So I'm using it right now as part of my lighting setup because recording this video in the place I'm staying. But let me see, it's gonna adjust the lighting probably just a little bit. Maybe I could, yeah, just a little bit darker. But here's the light, just a little bit darker. So here's the light, it's on right now. I love this light because it has, you can make it brighter or dimmer, so you can adjust the lighting based on the setting, right? And it is chargeable. So here's the charging port, and you can just turn it on and off. So off, on. And it really helps, especially in low light situations, to help take photos. And having a light on your phone, on your camera, it really helps just enhance the photo or video experience. All right, explorers, so I really hope you enjoyed these 10 gift ideas for this holiday gift guide for 2023 that you can give the traveler in your life, whether it's a family member, a friend, or yourself. So let's just recap. Ongoing membership, laptop stand for remote workers, travel shirt, travel journal, packing cube, photo shoot, airline gift card, travel insurance, portable monitor, and a light attachment. So again, all of these items will be linked down below in the description box for you to easily click on it and go and purchase that item. And also, like I said, some of these links or most of these links could be affiliate links. So if you click on them, you will be supporting me by potentially giving me a little commission and no additional cost to you. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It is free for you to do so. It helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments about this video or about the items recommended in this video, please leave them down below in the comment box, but keep it classy. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks. And if you're interested in supporting me more, you can leave me a little tip by hitting the thanks button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.